Hello, this is Tanisha Arora and I welcome you to Aarsun once again. Today I will be showing you one more sofa set. This is a Rajwadi set which is in teak wood with natural gloss finish. All of us have different tastes. We love to decorate our homes with something beautiful, something creative which reflects our lifestyle. Generally, what happens is if you have similar furniture like your friends and relatives, it gives a monotonous look. But in Aarsun, we break that monotony because we make your choice wala furniture. The sofa set you are looking here is a Rajwadi set. We call this Rajwadi set because it's a Shahi setup. You have generally seen this kind of setup in palaces, forts and movies. In this set, we have more woodwork than cushion work. The cushion work is just on the sitting area and rest of the set is of solid wood. This set is double carved. In fact, a 360-degree carved from all the sides, the back and the front and everywhere. So, if you are looking for something like this, then please contact the number is right here. And for more design, you can visit our website artsandwoods.com. There you will find a dedicated section for sofa set, or you can send us your own design as well. Arts and Woods make that for you and send to your home in India and out of India, wherever you are. So please contact. We will be happy to talk with you. Thank you.